के साथ. Then the sugar is always in cubes. Small things to be observed. Why? Why? Number one, when you prepare tea with sugar poured inside, you consume lot of sugar. Lot of calories is consumed. एक कप चाय बनाने के लिए आपको 2 चम्मच चीनी लगेगी. अगर आप टॉप अप शुगर डालोगे तो 1 चम्मच चीनी में काम हो जाएगा. मिठास, आपको तो मीठा चाहिए ना, एक पर्टिकुलर ग्रेड ऑफ स्वीटनेस यू वांट इन द टी. So what you do is they always use top up sugar. So in life now we only use top up sugar. What is top up sugar? During cooking we will not put sugar. We will put top up sugar. What all we are discussing today, it should be a lifestyle. This you should change in your life forever. For in your family, in your life, you get married, with your kids, change it. It is going to benefit you in the next coming 50, 60, 70 years. जो भी हम आज बात कर रहे हैं, छोटी छोटी चीजें बात कर रहे हैं. शुगर ऑलवेज टॉप अप. पॉरेज बनाते हो, साथ में बनाते हो. अगर बनाते भी हो, so you always top up. You spray sugar on the top. Now eat it. You want sweetness. I cannot stop him from eating sugar, but I want him to eat top up sugar. I don't want him to eat cooked sugar. Don't cook sugar. Yes. So,
but my diet is different if I'm at home and if I'm out.
So if you drink, let's talk generally. We are discussing since 0 hours coming to the 9, so that everybody knows what all changes you have to make. You want to write down, write down. Number one, you get up at particular hour, 0 hour, 7 o'clock you get up, and you take, because eventually you will only retain 30-40% when you go back. But if you have something penned down, you will retain 70-80%. So to increase your metabolic rate, you take normal water. Don't take normal water. Take either lukewarm warm water or you take cold water. Cold. But cold is a throat problem because our immune system is very weak. So if you want to drink cold water, you have to develop your immune system over a period of time. You might get cold twice or thrice. When you get up, you have not eaten from the past at least 10 years. 10 hours. Sorry. 10 hours your stomach is empty. The acidic process is on. After 2.5, 3 hours, the stomach pushes the food into the intestine. It processes. If you overload with fat, it will process because the absorption of the food takes place in intestine. Point is, the stomach will push, it will be acidic. So that is the only reason we want you to eat every 3 hours.